G'day guys, this is a super quick video. Check out what I bought. Now, I am a cheapskate, so I saw Simon Hurley using his Stampin' Block thing the other day, and it's a foam stamping block, and you heat it up and you use it. This is not a Simon Hurley one. This is one that I bought from Amazon, and I got 2 in the pack, and they cost me $11 with free delivery. For my Aussie peeps that might want to give this a try, to say that I'm excited to use this is crazy. I wanted to just get in and give it a go, and there's my back of my head, sorry about that. I realised then that I'm leaning on it. So what you do is you heat up the block for like 30 seconds with your heat tool, and then you press it onto anything you want to mark it. See? So I'm using an embossing folder here because why not? My theory in buying these is I'm going to double my bang for buck. And what happens now, this is the magic bit. Okay, so now it didn't work properly, so you just reheat it, it goes back flat, and you start again. And you can do this over and over and over again. Now, I'm using my embossing folders because in my mind, I wanted to be able to justify spending the money on embossing folders. There's my head again. Sorry about that. And I wanted to be able to, I love the embossing folders, but I like to get a stamp as well. So I sort of wanted to do 2 things. Now, this allows me to make a stamp out of my embossing folder. So I end up with a negative and a positive stamp from the negative and positive impression, as well as I can run my cardstock through my die cutting machine and create embossed the same pattern. Like, I'm in awe. I just love this. It is so good and it's so fun, and because it was so cheap. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to be very light-handed with my ink cube. I'm still playing with it. So I just grabbed my notepad. This is what I write all my video information on before I do it. And look at that. I've got me a stamp. And it's the same pattern as the emboss folder. You can literally do so much. And this is how easy it is to clean up. Excuse how much paper towel I use. I bought the cheapest, nastiest stuff, and it's so thin. It's terrible. So that's it. Just water. That's it. You don't need any special cleaners. Nothing. Not my water bottle was nearly empty, so forgive me for squeezing. And you just do that, and then you heat it up and go again. Or you keep stamping, or whatever you like. So then I decided at that point I was going to turn it off, and I played a little bit more. Now, if you have a look to my right-hand side, can you see that dog paw? Yes. You bet your bottom dollar I didn't get my dog. And trust me, it doesn't get hot enough. I put my own hand on it first, and it's not hot enough to burn, but I just got Lexi's paw and pressed onto the foam, and check it out. How good is that? You could literally, it's not hot enough to burn, like it's 30 seconds. So then I thought, if I can do that, I wonder if I can use the edge of it, not just the full big flat surface. I wonder if I could make maybe a stamp, and then I could make a border stamp out of it. So while I was playing, the video was still going, so I thought I'll give it a crack, see what it's like. And Bob's your uncle. Check it out. It totally works. The sides totally work exactly like the other piece does. So the flat piece does. So you can literally use every single side. And if you wanted to, you could heat it up and you could just keep them permanently. So if you go to a scrapbook, you know, a scrappy day somewhere with some friends or whatever, and they've got a embossing folder or a stamp or something that you want to take home, heat up your foam, press onto it, and then bingo, you got your stamp. Take it home, and it will stay that way until you reheat it. I was trying to line it up perfectly. I'm playing and I'm still trying to do it perfectly. So check that out. You can literally, that's the hexagon. So what I'm using is the hexagon. It's like a beehive, honeycomb. That's what it is. Honeycomb embossing folder from Stampin' Up. Is that where I got that from? I think so. Maybe. I'm not sure. I'll have to check. And look, I did the inside, so I did the negative and I did the positive. So just to show you the difference, and I did them on opposite sides, and check it out. You can totally make, I think, and look, you can just, I love this thing. Let me know if you're going to buy one. I will chuck the link in the description below where I got mine. It is not an affiliate link. It's just where I got it from. Simon Hurley does have them as well. So if you can't find it in my link, check out Simon Hurley. He's got the, I think they're made by Ranger maybe? I don't know. But yeah, check it out. So much fun. So much crafty, arty fun. Let's do it. So like and subscribe for more, guys. Let me know if you want more little videos like this one. Thanks heaps. Chat to you soon.